Are you guys still dealing with clunky, buffering streaming players with terrible interfaces? Today, I'm showing you the absolute best, lightning-fast local media player to check out in 2026. Its hardware decoding and slick UI will completely eliminate lag and buffering for good. Go ahead and open up the downloader app and type in our channel's exclusive quick code, 511693. The install is super easy, the app size is tiny, and it runs incredibly smooth. Once you launch it, you're greeted with a super clean, premium, and modern setup screen. Just punch in your personal network streaming info right here, and your local setup is good to go. Once you're on the main dashboard, you'll immediately notice how intuitive the UI is. Every custom section is right where it needs to be. Parsing your personal playlist for the first time takes just a few seconds. But the most impressive part? The insane response time. Scrolling through pages is buttery smooth, and switching between menus has basically zero lag. Whether you're handling high bitrate media streams or testing local network casting, it loads instantly, no more spinning circles. This is hands down the ultimate tool for building your top-tier home digital entertainment center. If you're running into any issues setting up your streaming environment, need a complete network testing solution, or just want me to walk you step by step through configuring this premium player setup, hit me up directly using the link down in the description or in the pinned comment. Did you guys enjoy today's tech deep dive? Make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to Firestick Secrets. Stay tuned, because I'll be bringing you way more pro-level device optimization and streaming setup tutorials.